Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dionne. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look, which I have no idea what I'm going to call it. It is just something I threw together. I don't know. So anywho, now before we get started, I do want to go ahead and address the hair. The blue is gone. I do now have red. Now, as far as the hair, I was completely wrong about what I thought about the temporary hair color, the hair wax. I thought that it lasted for 10 washes. I don't know where I got that idea from. I have no idea, but it does not. As soon as I washed my hair yesterday, it all came out, which is absolutely fine. I have no problem with that. That lets me know it's very easy to work with and deal with, so that was great. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it. I just, I wanted to see how it handled, but it came out, so it's fine. Because I did not read the directions on it. I watched enough people to know how to do it. So when I got it, I just put it on my hair. I didn't read it at all. Had I read it, I'd have known that it tells you right on there. It's a temporary water-based hair coloring solution for those who want to try a new hair color every day of the week. Right there, it tells you right there. Easy to apply and wash out. Offers a strong hold with no damage to the hair. Best used on curly texture hair. See, I'd have known right there. But I had that blue on for 2 weeks, which is normal for me that I don't wash my hair in 2 weeks, 3 weeks either. So it is what it is. Never goes past 3 weeks, but that's just me. So anywho, so yeah, like I said, I did use the red one this time. This is the color of the red. Although to me, it looks like it's like a little magenta or something like that. Not pink, but like a little magenta or something. I don't know. But yeah, I like it either way. So it's cool, Especially when you're out in the sun, you can see it a little better. But, it's cool. I like it a lot. So yeah, I got this one on. And yeah, it's cute. And the hair is actually a twist out that I did yesterday. And to achieve this curl out, I will show you what I use. But look at the curls. They are super freaking defined. Very juicy, very moist. Even with this hair paint on top, they're still very defined and very juicy and nice. And, this is one day hair because I just washed it yesterday. I let it dry, air dry all day as well as all night. And then when it came time to do the video, it's pretty good. It's pretty dry. I have a little bit of a wetness maybe up in there, but it's pretty much dry. Maybe like about 5% more need to dry, but it's still good enough that I could do the video. Plus, I am on my way to take my son to his dentist appointment, my 5-year-old, in about 2 hours. So yeah, but anyway, so to achieve this, what I used was the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curl Sculpting Custard. This is what I used. Now, this is what I used for the styler, after I washed and conditioned and deep conditioned, leave-in, and then I used this as the styler. And then for the hold, I used Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker, which I really love this stuff. This is a newer bottle. I just got this one probably like a month ago. I use this a lot. When I don't use my Eco Styler gel, I like to use this because this gives your hair a nice crunch. Not like a hard, terrible crunch. It's a crunch that just holds your curl in place because, since I don't wash my hair a lot, I need my curls to last as long as possible. So I try to do something with a nice long hold to it. So something very longevity. So yeah, so those two products work so well together for me. I don't know how they do on other people, but for me, these two work well. And yeah, and it came out good. And is that it? Yeah, I think that's, now I'm not sure in the video if I showed where, because after I stopped the video, I did add some of this Appeal, which I got in my in one of my Lashy Box subscriptions. I used this and put that on top of the yellow that I used from the pizza palette. And then the glitter that I used was the NYX glitter right here. And that's what I have for my half cut crease here. And yeah, so that's what I use to do this. Now for my cut crease, I have to make it go a little above because I got very hooded eyes, all this extra meat hanging there. But I just do. I have hooded eyes, so mine has to come up a little bit more so that you can see it. If not, I'm gonna have to be going like this all day, looking like my face all tight and stuff. just so you all can see it, you know what I'm saying? So you bring it up a little higher and you can see it, you know what I'm saying, when you going about your day, you know what I'm saying? You still may not see it as much as somebody who doesn't, but it's good enough for me. I like it. So yeah, and that is that. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, please continue to watch, and I thank you so much. Bye.